Pero. Yeah, I think this is used for hunting skills. Kill it. Luigi, they're gonna extinct. Oh yeah, we don't need that. That sounded like Bugs Bunny. Are you sure he's here? Yeah, I think he's here. I'm 100% sure. Okay. Back at Koopas. Petey's. Oh, who locked this house? Mario! Yeah, someone locked my house. Is it okay if I can stay with you? Sure. Hey, you're coming with me. We're going to the natural mushroom museum. Oh, you two. They're ancient. Do you think we should go over here? Yeah, I think so. This is another person's house. Lives like. So here's this, which looks nothing like a forest. It's all flat, so there's nothing here. And I fell down. Can you please save me? Okay, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's go back home. But Mario, what about the Natural Museum mushroom habitats? Is that how you remember the name? Yeah. Okay, I'll just stay here. Can I keep the Pikmin as a pet, please, Mario? There's Yoshi. Me, I'll just stay there. They're kids. Okay, I'm gonna send to this guy. This guy. Something. Gonna send him into the Natural Museum of Habitats. Oh, we have something else. There. Gotta do it. Maddie, we all got some mail. Maddie, we also got some mail. Oh wait, I also want to put this in here. I'm sorry, I want you as a pet, but we need you in a natural habitat. So let's put him. Hey, where did the Koopa go? Okay, with it. Put him in here. That ought to do it. Come on, let's go.